Look at that collard green tree in the making. Look at this. We're gonna eat some of this. Oh, my celery is looking good. Oh, my celery. I'm looking forward to that. Woo, woo. Those mustards are good, doing real good. Wow, look like the turnips are doing just okay, better than they were. All right, the parsley's doing okay. I keep having to pull the dead pieces off. Well, the bay leaves are doing okay, except weeds. Gotta pull them out by the roots. Ooh, my collards. Get off of there. That looks good, man. We have to eat those today. They're nice and tender. I hate that. My broccoli went to flower because it was too hot. Mustard green's doing good. Finally growing. My bok choy is growing. And I'm in love with bok choy right now. Arugula. Go, girl. It's amazing how these onions are coming up already. That's truly amazing. Now that is my echinacea, and it's coming back already. Look at that. That was because it was so hot out here. It thought it was time. The turnips are not doing as well as I want. The beets not doing as well as I want. But we got plenty of radishes everywhere.